You have a brilliant game idea. The mechanics are clear in your head. But you cannot draw, and a freelance pixel artist quotes you $50 per sprite. 200 sprites later, your indie dream is dead before it shipped. Pixel API Game Assets generates production-ready-to-D art for indie games at half a cent per image, with a single API call. Let me show you exactly how, and who is using it today. Real-world use cases. 1. Solo indie developers building Unity, Godot, or Unreal prototypes who need consistent art across hundreds of sprites. 2. Game Jam teams racing 48-hour deadlines at Ludum Dare or GMTK. 3. Tabletop RPG creators making homebrew Dungeons and Dragons modules that need item icons, character portraits, and battle map tiles. 4. Mobile hyper-casual game developers who need 10 variations of a sprite for App Store split tests. 5. Educators teaching game design who need example assets for their students. And 6. itch.io publishers shipping free or pay what you want games on a $0 art budget. 2 ways to use it. The web app for one-off generations and the API for batch automation. Let us start with the web. Open pixelp.dev/app. Sign up with email or log in with Google. You get 100 free credits the moment you create your account. That is 20 free game assets to test the tool, no credit card required. Once you are inside the dashboard, click Game Assets in the left sidebar. The marker says New, because we shipped this tool recently. Choose from 6 styles built for the way games are actually made. Pixel art for retro 8-bit and 16-bit games. Isometric for tiles, buildings, and strategy game environments. UI kit for buttons, panels, and HUD elements. Game icons for inventory items and abilities. Fantasy 2D for hand-painted characters and scenes. And SCI FE2D for futuristic art. Pick a style, type your description in plain English, and click Generate. Roughly 30 seconds later, you get a 512 by 512 PNG ready to drop into your sprite folder. Here are real outputs from the tool. An isometric medieval cottage. A medieval castle with red banners. A red dragon for fantasy combat. A female elf archer with bow drawn. And a side view animation sheet for a running character. 5 credits each. That is 42 paise per asset, or roughly half a US cent. Now the API. Same tool, different surface. Useful when you need 50 sprites for a tile set, or want to bake asset generation into your build pipeline. Open any code editor. We are using Versus Code. Create a file called game_assetsdemo.py. Import requests, set the endpoint to api.pixelp.dev/v1/game-assets, and put your API key in the authorization header as a bearer token. The example here uses a dummy key, so swap it with your real one before running. To submit a job, post a JSON body with 2 fields. Prompt, your description in English. And style, one of the 6 options. The endpoint returns a generation ID, queued status, and the credit cost up front. 5 credits per image, 8 for sprite sheets. Then poll the same endpoint with the generation ID until status flips to completed. The response includes an output URL pointing to the finished PNG. Total wall clock time is roughly 30 seconds end to end. Run it from your terminal with Python game_assetsdemo.py. The job submits, polls, downloads the PNG to your working directory, and prints the local path. Open the file, and there is your asset, ready for Unity, Godot, or your favorite game engine. Pricing. 5 credits per standard image, 8 credits for sprite sheets. That is half a US cent per image, or 42 paise. Scenario.com, the closest competitor, charges between 2 and 15 US cents per image, depending on tier. Pixel API is roughly 4 to 30 times cheaper, with no monthly minimum and no contract. 100 free credits when you sign up. No credit card required. 20 free game assets to test the tool before you spend a single rupee. Visit pixelpy.dev to start building.